Yesterday, Jacob, once again, it's 2:40 in the morning. Court finds Swiss immigration authorities cannot order deportation for criminal offenses. If it's the first time on my channel, don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and share. A Swiss court has held an immigration official are not able to order a person to be deported under Switzerland Deportation Initiative. Switzerland Federal Court held on Wednesday that only court, rather than administration authorities, are allowed to order a deportation against a foreigner who has committed criminal offenses. In Switzerland, the court has the power to order the deportation of foreigners who committed certain criminal offenses after a SVP-backed referendum on the issue in 2012, Watson reports. A similar referendum in 2016, which would have had the effect of allowing foreigners to be deported for committing minor crimes offenses, was rejected at the ballot box. The case concerned a Croatian man who has been found guilty of a range of criminal offenses. The cantonal court in Vaduz sentenced the man to 42 months imprisonment but did not order his deportation. The offense the man was convicted of are the types of offense for which an expulsion from the country is mandatory. According to the New Zurich Zeitung, it appeared that the court forgot to order deportation when handing down the sentence. The public prosecutor of the case also forgot to apply for it, the NZZ reports. After cantonal authorities ordered that the man be deported, the federal court intervened on appeal. The federal court found that under the deportation initiative, that only judiciary had the power to order a deportation rather than cantonal authorities. The federal court said that when a deportation order is not made by the court, the immigration authority must accept it as every case, even if it is simply forgotten. While the directive called for mandatory deportation, it is often avoided on hardship ground. Across Switzerland, deportation orders are avoided due to the hardship in 42% of cases, rather than with a higher rate in the French-speaking Switzerland. Life in Switzerland has become more challenging. In recent months, daily life has changed. Travel has become more complicated and jobs are under threat. During these turbulent times, the local pledge to provide you all the essential news and information you need to stay informed about what's happening in Switzerland. We will cover everything you need to know and how the coronavirus crisis continues to impact Switzerland and how the crisis could affect your life. By becoming a member of the local, you will get unlimited access to all the coverage and essential issues from travel, taxes to job, work permit, border, and Brexit. We will answer your critical questions and ask them on your behalf to the right people, and we will help you learn the local languages in the process. You will get free access to our website across Europe and see all less advertising. You will get less than 15 cents per day. By contributing to the local, you will also help to continue to cover the stories about Switzerland that are important to you, that was shared on this page. So if you are in Switzerland now, you know that certain police in their whole element cannot deport you. And it has to go to a bigger court, and the reasons have to be, and if the court did not decide on deportation at that judgment or sentence, you are entitled to stay here and continue on doing your life. But I just want to inform a lot of us who lives here, not because you have heard this, doesn't mean that you go on continue doing your mischief. You get a second chance that many other countries would not have given to you, and you are here. Why can't you abide by the certain rules and regulation? In our countries where we have left behind and come to this country to have a second chance in life, we would not have gotten this opportunity. And now that we are here, we are trying to bring our country's problem here. I thought when we left our countries, we left the problem that we were facing there, and we are here now to try and do something different. Help this nation to build under the condition that you leave your problems, the wars that you have, the troublesome situation that you have behind. As we heard, Switzerland has its own problem. It's not easy to get on in Switzerland when you're not acquainted with the language. And though you might have lived here for many years, the language is not a very easy language to have and to sound like a Swiss. So life is challenging here in Switzerland. So my viewers and subscribers and those who live in Zurich, like myself, please abide by the rules and regulation and be content, because there are many out there who doesn't have what you have. Once again, this is JCon TV out of Zurich, saying unto each and every one of us, Shalom. And those are in Zurich here, bitte aufpasse, bleib gesund. God segne euch.